Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this really quick video, I want to go over a feature inside Darkroom Booth for iPad that is often forgot about and sometimes overlooked. What we're talking about here is Darkroom Email. And just like in Darkroom Booth for Windows, there is zero configuration that you need to do. So let's jump right in, see how this is set up, and use it in action. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up Darkroom Booth for iPad. We're going to create a new event. This is a brand new install, so it doesn't have any type of configuration in it. We'll give it a name. And we can go through all these options, but what we need is already pre-configured. It's going to take a single image and it's going to give us a prompt to email. So we can see that it's set for still image, and under the share options we have email enabled without having to do anything other than give it a name. So we'll start it up. And take a quick image. And that's it. Without having to do any type of configuration, it's sending that image to my email address as we speak. Now, if you'd like to use your own email address to send, that's completely fine. We just want to help people get up and running as simply as possible. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.